Hello. Today I'm going to show you a really awesome nightlight. It is so beautiful and it comes for the good old Pokemon fans out there. Yeah, like me. It's a Pokemon figure 3D illusion lamp. It's a nightlight and it's made out of acrylic glass. It's really beautiful and it is with the good old Pokemon and a good, really good Pokemon which comes there for us Glaceon, fresh snow Pokemon. It's a Pokemon which looks really beautiful. It's an ice type Pokemon introduced in generation 9. No, 4, sorry about that. It evolves from Eve when it is leveled up near an ice rock, okay, or exposed to an ice stone. It is one of Eve's final forms, the others being Vaporeon, Jolteon, Flareon, Espeon, Umbreon, Levion, and Sylveon. But I like this here really much because it looks beautiful. Glaceon is really nice and it comes in a shape for a beautiful light. Lamptee was inspired by Mr. Phillips. Founder and team member of who one day was asked by the starters if he could create a 3D illusion. As laser engraving technology was on the rise and being perfected, he searched for engravers that could produce these lamps. He did a small illusion lamp sample and offered it to his daughter, who immediately fell in love with it. And if you see this nice, beautiful lamp, you will fall in love too. Really, I promise. In 2014, he decided to produce bigger size and started selling them to the friends and neighbors. In 2015, he bought 200 laser engravers and started producing big quantities. Then he opened Lamptee.com and since then he has sold over 30,000 lamps and one is here. And it looks really beautiful. You can see on the socket there you can choose different types of socket. Here it's a standard socket, made out of ABS plastic and with a touch button on top where we can program the different colors because on the bottom side of the socket there are LED spots, and these LED spots will show us this beautiful Pokemon. We can get the power into it by using a smartphone power supply, for example. Of course, you can use a personal computer too, or a power bank for it, and an USB to micro USB cable. This is included, but not the power supply, because on the bottom side there is a battery pack or which you can dock a battery pack out of 3 AA batteries into it, and then you can use it mobile. It's really nice and super beautiful designs. It's an awesome lamp and it comes with an awesome Pokemon figure in 3D illusion lamp. Oh, that's really awesome and it's so easy to attach. The only thing you have to do is you will dock the Pokemon onto it, then connect it to the power supply and push the button. It's a fingerprinted button. It's not a physical button. It's really easy. Long press means shut off, and one each push means next program. On the market, of course, there are possible to get a remote controlled edition too. This is the Pokemon Figure 3D Illusion Lamp by Lamptee. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.